How to fix Java Virtual Machine launcher error. So first you will need to open up the start menu and then search for environment, and then click on edit the system environment variables. Then you want to click on environment variables here, and then you will need to click on the new button here under user variable. And for the variable name, it's going to be underscore Java underscore options, all in caps like this. And make sure to remove any additional characters, only the underscores and all caps. And for the value type is going to be dash xmx, and then 512 for 512 megabytes. Additional M like this. You can also increase it to 1024 if you have more space available or more RAM available to use. And then you want to press OK. And then you can press OK and then OK again, and right click on the start button and open the terminal or CMD as admin. Now you will need to run the following command, gp update, and press enter and wait for it to finish updating. And once this is done, all you need to do is restart your computer by clicking power and restart. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.